Food Safety. Hot and Cold Foods. By K5HPE.
Some people can get sick from certain foods.
If you have food allergies, or medical conditions, it is important to read labels to avoid these foods.
Everyone needs to wash their hands before touching or eating foods. Fruits and vegetables should also be washed.
The dishes, tools, and surfaces which touch the foods should be washed too.
Cooked foods need to get very hot to kill all of the germs before it's ready to eat.
Cold foods should be kept in the refrigerator so that it does not spoil.
Foods which are not cooked, stored, or washed properly can make you very sick.
What are 3 things you should do to eat food safely?
What kinds of foods need to be cooked? What kinds of foods need to be stored in the refrigerator?
What might happen if you eat spoiled food?